Hi, I am Sriranga Bapat from Bapat Classes. In this video, I will explain different operators like union, intersection, subtraction, and complement used in sets. Also, I will explain how to show these operations on Venn diagram. In the next video, I will explain problems from practice set 1.4 using these operations. We will see some applications of these operations in PowerPoint, Excel, 3D graphics. In future, you will use set operations in logic gates of electronics, computer programming, and logic section of mathematics. Let us start with the first operator, union. U symbol is used for union. A union B is the set of all elements of set A together with all elements of set B. Set builder form is A union B is set of all x such that x belongs to A or x belongs to B. Here, OR is logic operator equivalent to union. Let A be the set of first 6 multiples of 2. Then set A is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Let B be the set of first 4 multiples of 3. Then B equal to 3, 6, 9, 12. Then A union B is set of all elements of set A together with all elements of set B. That is, A union B is 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. Venn diagram representation of A union B. Construct two circles for sets A and B with some common region. Here, there are two elements common to set A and B, 6 and 12. So first write elements 6 and 12 in the common region. Then remaining elements of sets A and B on left side and right side of the common region respectively. Shaded region is A union B. Now we will see subset relation between A, B and A union B. Here, all elements of set A are present in A union B. Therefore, A is subset of A union B. Similarly, all elements of set B are also present in A union B. Therefore, B is subset of A union B. So remember this property. A is subset of A union B. B is subset of A union B. As A is subset of A union B, cardinality of A is always less than or equal to cardinality of A union B. Similarly, B is subset of A union B, and therefore cardinality of B is also less than or equal to cardinality of A union B. Here, in our example, cardinality of A is 6 and cardinality of A union B is 8. 6 is less than 8. Similarly, cardinality of B is 4 and cardinality of A union B is 8. 4 is less than 8. Let A be the set of first two multiples of 4. Then A set is 4, 8. Let B be the first 6 multiples of 2. Then set B is 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. Here, note that all elements of set A are present in set B. Therefore, A is subset of B. Now we'll find out A union B. A union B is the set of all elements of set A together with all elements of set B. And therefore, A union B is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now compare set B and A union B. Both the sets are equal because they have same elements. So, remember this property. If A is subset of B, then A union B is equal to B. Also remember that if A is subset of B, then cardinality of A union B is equal to cardinality of B. Properties of union of sets. Property number 1, commutative property. A union B is equal to B union A. Property number 2, associative property. Into bracket A union B bracket close union C is equal to A union into bracket B union C bracket close. Now we will verify associative property, that is into bracket A union B bracket close union C is equal to A union into bracket B union C. Consider three sets A, B and C. Let A be 1, 2, 3. Let B set be 2, 3, 4. Let C be 3, 4, 5. To verify this property, we are going to simplify LHS and RHS of this property separately, and then we are going to compare LHS and RHS. We are going to show that LHS and RHS are equal. So consider LHS first. LHS is equal to into bracket A union B bracket close union C. Now substitute values. A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 2, 3, 4, C is equal to 3, 4, 5. Therefore, LHS equal to into bracket left curly brace 1, 2, 3 right curly brace union in left curly brace 2, 3, 4 right curly brace bracket close union 3, 4, 5. Now first we'll find out union of A and B. We will simplify expression in brackets first. In A and B, there are 6 elements, total 6 elements, but 2 elements are common, 2 and 3. And therefore, total number of elements in A union B are 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Therefore, LHS is equal to left curly brace 1, 2, 3, 4, right curly brace, union left curly brace 3, 4, 5, right curly brace. Now we'll find out union of two sets in last step. Therefore, LHS is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, in first part, we have already proved that LHS is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will simplify RHS and then we will compare LHS with RHS. So RHS is equal to A union into bracket B union C bracket close. Now substitute values of A, B and C. Therefore, RHS is equal to 1, 2, 3 union into bracket 2, 3, 4 union 3, 4, 5 close bracket. Now we are going to simplify expression in brackets first. That is, we are going to find out B union C first. In sets B and C, there are 6 elements. 3 elements in B and 3 elements in set C. But 2 elements are common to them, 3 and 4. And therefore, total number of elements in B union C equal to 6 minus 2, that is 4. 2, 3, 4 and 5. And therefore, RHS is equal to left curly brace 1, 2, 3 right curly brace union left curly brace 2, 3, 4, 5. Now last step. Now we are going to find out union of two sets A and union of B and C. Total number of elements 7, but 2 elements are common, 2 and 3, and therefore number of elements in on RHS equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And therefore RHS is equal to left curly brace 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now compare LHS and RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence we have verified associative property of union of three sets. Intersection of two sets. Intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all elements common to sets A and B. Intersection is denoted by symbol inverted U. Set builder form of A intersection B is A intersection B is the set of all x such that x belongs to A and x belongs to B. Here, AND is logical operator. Both the conditions must be true. X belongs to A as well as x belongs to B. Remember, for union we have used OR operator. Here we have used AND operator. Consider one example. Let A be the set of first 6 multiples of 2. Then set A is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Let B be the set of first 6 multiples of 3. Then B equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Here, sets A and B have two elements in common, 6 and 12, and therefore A intersection B is 6, 12. Remember, intersection is set of all elements common to two sets. Venn diagram representation of intersection of two sets. Let A be the set of first 6 multiples of 2. Let B be the set of first 6 multiples of 3. To represent intersection of two sets by using Venn diagram, first draw two circles for sets A and B with some common region. Here sets A and B have two elements in common, 6 and 12. So first write elements 6 and 12 in the common region. Then write remaining elements of set A and B on left hand side and right hand side of the common region respectively. Shaded region in the Venn diagram represents A intersection B. A intersection B is subset of A. A intersection B is also subset of B. And A intersection B is subset of A union B.